and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button. Now, if you're wondering why I have so many coins and so many rounds, it's because of played this game before. I tried to make a video on it. The audio was so bad, so I couldn't upload the video. Actually, a lot of my videos, I've made so many videos the past week, and guess what? The audio was broken. Yeah. So you would have had like a lot more videos by now, so I'm just explaining that. Alright, I haven't played through this though. It's going down! Okay, I'm gonna put the settings on because I don't care about copyright. We gotta go through. Come on! We gotta go through. No! 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 Oh, that was a close one. I gotta go. Oh, I wanna reach the top. I wanna reach the top. A sad thing about this is because I'm gonna have the music on and I'll get copyrighted. Sadly. Hey, make a no music option. I'd like that. Or it's not. Do a settings option so I can turn off the music. Hey, I don't make any money off of YouTube, so I can copyright them as much as I want. Stop the incoming balls by touching them. What do you mean? I need to touch the ball. Someone has! Come on. I need to stop the ball. Whoa. Oh, stop the ball. Stop the ball. Whoa. Come on. Come on. Yes. We can do this. Come on. All right. Hello. Yes. Come on. No! No! Come on, you guys. Okay, I'll do this side. Come on. Yes. Hello there. That side too. Oh! Gonna stop the balls! No, get that one. Come on, please, get that one. No! Oh, no! I'm an idiot. I'm the idiot. The balls were stopped. Those balls were stopped. Button presser. Hurry, push the ice orb off the lobby. Why? I don't want to freeze. I think it'll freeze us all. No, it's in the Robux section. Yes! It pushed it off. Yeah, I want that rainbow carpet. How much does it cost? 6,000 coins. I don't think. Jump on the logs to reach the end. Alright. No! Come on, guys. No! It's actually annoying to do that. Okay. No! Okay, this is really annoying. No! I gotta do this. No! Are you kidding me? Come on. No! Please! Yes! Finally, no! I have to do all that? No! Oh, no! No, this is actually really hard to do. Oh, that was so hard! I know I had to just wait for them, but like, stand still. Why? Oh. No! The letter peaks up. I can't. Oh, 46. Where's 46? 46. Where is 46? All right, it's nowhere around here. I gotta find 46. Why'd I have to get the unlucky number, huh? 46. There is 46. Hello there. Come on. Thank you. Yay! I won. I won. All right. I want to. Okay. Reach the mountaintop. Oh no! There's so many incoming balls. Look, there's snowballs. Whoa! Scary little snowballs, that's for sure. You can't hit me. Why did someone win that so fast? Oh, was there a shortcut? Yeah, it seems to be like a shortcut. Oh no! There are little ice men in there. I forgot. Ow! Okay, I have to wait for this. Come on. Please, please, please go away. Please go away. Please go away! Just go away! Jesus! Come on, you don't have to make me wait that long just for it to go away. Come on. No, I don't want to do this. Do I have to avoid them? Oh! No! No. No! I'm all the way back here? Are you? No. Come on. No. No. Oh my. Okay, I'll be back when I've almost finished it. Oh, that's unfair. Oh, that is unfair. I hate this game. Ah, stupid. Okay, you know what? I'm really gonna try tryharding now. Ouch! I don't know if that was exactly fair, was it? Reach the end. What's with all these stupid? Okay, fine. Ooh, whoa. 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 Thanks a lot, stupid game. Trying to steal Robux. Not a joking. Alright, I won! Whoa. Hey guys. I pressed it! Are you lucky or unlucky? What is it? Really? I got nothing! I guess I was... normal. Come on, I can reach the top. Oh! Yes! Yes! I won. I'm smarter. Ooh, I can buy a laser. Shoot other players. Stop anyone from using shop gears near you while this is active. A grappling hook. No, that's so much for a grappling hook. Rob the bank. Alright, I'll start robbing that bank. Pretty sure. Alright. We're going in jailbreak, you guys! Woo! This is literally jailbreak. I remember this oh, I remember those 2018 moments. Escape the bank. Don't I need time to rob it? Alright, I guess I don't. Whoa! You know, I thought the fat legs would kind of hit it because, well, I mean, I think you know why. Come on. Come on. I'm the winner. I'm the pro. You almost died. Look at how much my health is. Grapple hook. VIP gamer. Boombox. You can get the grapple hook or the VIP. What does the VIP give you? Wait, there's a sword? Nature sword to $2.99. I'm gonna buy it. Only so. Okay, wait. Can I kill people with it? Can I kill people with it? I can kill people. I'll see you later, kids. I'm gonna sabotage all the players. Take cover to the umbrella. Look, I'm gonna kill all them. Yes. But noobs. I killed all of them. I killed all my teammates. I like the sword. Guys, look, it feels, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No! I couldn't get the last one. Robux, get me Robux. Grab the most rings. I want to go back up. I didn't grab the most rings. I know someone else did. Damn you! 9 points! Only if I got 2 more. Get your team ball to the end to win. On your marks. Come here. Yes! Come on, I just a kid killer. Please! Yes! I love this weapon. Hey, you guys should totally buy this. I love this. Come here, come here. Hey, my dino, I'm gonna kill you. Ugh. Come here, come here. I hate you. I hate you. Come here, come here, come here. No, I avoid being grilled. All right. You know, I mean, I'm a little dino. It's me, the dino. Bum, bum, bum. It's me, the... Come here. Come here. Yes! Come here. Yes! 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 I killed everyone! I killed everyone! Hey! Noobs! Survive! No! Alright guys, I think that'll be it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching. Bye!